Experiencing FPS drops in CS2 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Go to the settings menu in CS2 and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help increase your FPS by reducing the load on your system. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This will ensure your computer is using maximum resources for gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use Task Manager to identify and terminate programs that may be consuming system resources, which can help free up memory and processing power for the game. Step 5. Verify game files. If you continue to experience issues, verify the integrity of the game files through Steam. Right-click on CS2 in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing CS2. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.